All right, so let's talk about outlining. The first step in design is really getting your outline, your form, you're going to build the house on, the foundation. So this is the way that I want the foundation, the outline to look of the design. So this will go across here and this across here, the waist. And then these are the straps that travel from front to back. And then it is going to actually tie in the back. And since this isn't stretchy rope, it keeps coming down. I need to T-pin this up and make this tighter. But it's going to tie in the back right here and right here, so you can get it on and off easily. So you'll put your straps on, put it on in the front, and then I guess you have to have someone tie it in the back. Maybe I should have it tie in the front. Now see, and maybe I need to change the design. Okay, so it's going to tie in the front then, because I have to be mindful of the fact that everybody doesn't have someone to tie something in the back. I don't. And it's too hard to deal with if you're trying to get in and out of it. So it's going to tie in the front. So that's going to change my design a little bit, but it'll be fine. So the first step is outlining everything. So this is the outline of my new design. And this is a really quick design because it's using chunky rope. I'm using the last of this that I used in the capelet that Afro Mama modeled a few videos back. And it's just going to be a very chunky piece, and you can put a liner in it, or you can wear it, throw it on over a swimsuit, or you're going to Coachella or Burning Man or some kind of music festival of that nature, Carnival. I got to remember I have a lot of Portuguese, Brazilian watchers. You just throw it on and it looks really, really cool. So that's step one, make your outline. New crochet pattern I'm working on, folks. It's decadent. It is luxe. It is giving. It is serving. Crochet realness. It is lit. So I hope to publish the pattern for you. I've been writing some of it down. Just hope that I can remember how to do the middle, because I did not write it down. But I know how to count a stitch. I know how to count. So got some things in the workroom, folks.